Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn English through a simple real life story. So listen carefully, speak along, and let's start. Have you ever gotten on a bus or a train and after a few minutes suddenly realized, oh no, I think I'm going the wrong way? Well, that's exactly what happened to Riya one morning. She was already getting late and she had an important place to reach. So let's listen to her story. It was Monday morning and Ria was standing at a busy bus stop. She was going to Central Market for an important appointment. She looked at the buses but she couldn't find the one she needed. So she turned to a young man standing nearby and asked, "Excuse me, does this bus go to Central Market?" The man looked at the bus and said, "Yes, I think so." But then he paused and added, "Actually, I am not completely sure. You should ask the driver." Dia thanked him and walked toward the bus. Before getting on, she asked the driver, "Excuse me, sir, does this bus go to Central Market?" The driver told her that this bus did not go to Central Market. Ria was surprised. She thought she had finally found the right bus. But unfortunately, Ria had already taken the wrong bus. She became worried. She thought, oh no, I think I took the wrong bus. So she went to the driver and explained the situation. The driver calmly told her not to worry. He explained that she could get off at the next stop and take bus number 42 from there. Ria felt relieved. She thanked him and got off at the next stop. A few minutes later, she saw bus number 42 approaching. This time, she checked the number carefully. 42 Central Market. Finally, she smiled, waved at the driver, and got on the correct bus. And this time, she was going in the right direction. Okay, let's see how carefully you are listening. Question number 1. Where was Riya going? The answer is Central Market. Now, remember one sentence from the story? I think I took the wrong bus. We use I think when we are not completely certain about something. For example, I think I took the wrong train. I think I called the wrong number. I think I came to the wrong place. So, that's it for today. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, share it with someone who is learning English, and subscribe for more stories like this.